Is Prodigy Peptides legit or just another internet scam? That's the question thousands of people are asking before spending money on research peptides online. So I dug deep. Prodigy Peptides claims their products are made in CGMP-compliant labs with over 99% purity and third-party testing. Sounds impressive, right? But here's where it gets interesting. The peptide industry is full of sketchy vendors, fake reviews, underdosed products, and even contamination warnings from medical experts. On Trustpilot, Prodigy Peptides has only a small number of public reviews. Some customers say shipping was fast and products looked legit, but Reddit users keep warning people that peptide companies can manipulate reviews and that the only real proof is independent lab testing. So is Prodigy Peptides a scam? Right now, there's no strong evidence proving it's a scam, but there's also not enough independent proof to blindly trust it either. That means if you buy from them, you're still taking a risk, just like with most peptide websites online. Before ordering, check for COAs, research Reddit threads, verify third-party testing, and never trust hype alone. Because in the peptide world, good marketing can look exactly like legitimacy. Follow for more deep dive reviews before you waste your money online.